In a verdict reigniting one of the most contested religious disputes in India, the High Court of Madhya Pradesh has declared the religious character of the disputed Bhotshala Kamal Maula Mosque in Dhar to be that of a temple dedicated to the goddess Saraswati, while simultaneously stopping namaz at the site and directing the state to consider applications for allotment of another land in the Dhar district for the establishment of a mosque. Welcome to The Print. I am Ruchi Bhattar, bringing to you this instant analysis of everything the court said and what exactly is the dispute that has lasted for decades. Dhar is an ancient city located in the southwestern Madhya Pradesh. The case stems from an 11th century monument being considered as a temple dedicated to goddess Vagdevi Saraswati as Hindus, while the Muslims call it Kamal Maula Mosque. After much dispute, the Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, by a 2003 order, permitted Hindus to worship at the complex every Tuesday and Muslims to offer namaz there every Friday. The Hindu side challenged the ASI order in the High Court, seeking exclusive rights to worship at the complex. In its order, a bench of Justices Vijay Kumar Shukla and Alok Awasthi reaffirmed the site's status as an ASI protected monument, directing the agency to continue its preservation role under the ASI Act of 1958. The Union government and the ASI were ordered to take a decision for the purpose of administration and management of the affairs of the Bhotshala temple. The court added that ASI will continue to have overall management and administration of the property in accordance with the law. The ruling upheld the petitioners, which is the Hindu side's rights, under Articles 25 and 29 regarding religious worship. An ASI survey documented in a report over 2,000 pages had found that a massive structure dating to the reign of Parmar kings of Dhar predated the mosque, and that the current structure was built using repurposed temple components. Recording findings that the historical literature establishes the character of the disputed area of Sanskrit learning associated with Raja Bhoj of the Parmar dynasty, and that the literature and archaeological references indicate the existence of a temple dedicated to goddess Saraswati, the court also held that the continuity of Hindu worship at the site was never really extinguished. In its order, the court also invoked constitutional obligations of the state. It said, and I quote, "Every government has the constitutional obligation to ensure that preservation and protection of not only ancient monuments and its structure, including temples of historical and archaeological importance, but also of sanctum sanctorum and the deities of spiritual importance. Constitutional duty extends to providing basic amenities to pilgrims and proper maintenance of law and order, preserving the purity and pristine character of the deity." End quote. Lastly, the court also took note of the representations made by the Hindu petitioners to the Union government seeking the return of an idol of goddess Saraswati from a London museum. It directed the government to consider such applications. With that, thank you for watching.